Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Linen wallet using your mobile device. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time since the process is quite easy. The first thing to do is to open your Linen wallet application from your app drawer. Soon after you do that, you will be prompted to enter your Linen wallet passcode. Simply enter the passcode that you created for your wallet, which is 6 digits long. Once you type in your passcode correct, you will end up in the main homepage for Linen wallet, which means you have successfully logged in. Remember that you must enter your passcode while logging into Linen wallet that you've set for your application. If you don't remember your passcode, you won't be able to access your wallet. So that's how you can easily log into Linen wallet within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.